Elon Musk shared a video of humanoid robot Optimus on Twitter. In the video, the robot is seen folding a black colored t-shirt. The video has gone crazy viral. In another tweet, the Tesla CEO added an important note: Optimus cannot yet do this autonomously, but certainly will be able to do this fully autonomously and in an arbitrary environment. Won't require a fixed table with a box that has only a one shot, says Elon Musk. So this is a Tesla Optimus Generation 2 folding a shirt. The future will be interesting. A robot will take over our daily activities. Follow me to stay up to date with AI and tech. And thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel.